Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this 2026 Bennington SSRX 22. Just arrived, guys. This is a full-size tritoon with the SPS package. Full-length tritoon logs across the board here. You'll see it's got the metallic silver with the perforated accent. It's got the full blackout package with the rub rail and all. You've got your nav lights, accent lights located right here on the front side of the boat. Take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the 22 SSRX. You'll see again, this is a full-size tritoon. This is the SPS package, so it's got your 25-inch pontoon logs across the board. Got a 34-gallon fuel tank located subfloor in the center tune right here. Full-size lifting strakes. You've got the single bifold ladder. Again, this ladder is the black to match your blackout package. You've got the nice ski tow bar rated for 1,500 pounds mounted to the structure of the boat. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Bennington 22 SSRX. Beautiful boat. Again, you can see this is the stern radius seating with bench seats in all four corners. Guys, you'll see that this is the light silver base upholstery with the slate Semtex accent. Guys, plenty of cup holders throughout this whole boat. Nice little tray to hold your cell phone, keys, your wallet, all your goodies. Plenty of storage underneath all your seats here. Guys, taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got the Garmin Echo Map over here. And then we've got your mechanical gauges, Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade, all your switches, tilt and trim on your steering wheel. Nice reclining chair with self-leveling armrest, 10-foot bimini top. Guys, phenomenal boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.